Hello, people. I know that I'm late, but let's just talk about traitors. Parul was doing so good. She was so excited. She had also been noticing Crystal very closely, and she just knew. And she was spreading the same happiness and same confidence in the same word to everyone so that everyone can understand, at least start observing at what she's trying to say, and then maybe they'll all be able to catch another traitor again. But that did not happen. I'm feeling so sorry for Parul. She was just excited, and nobody just could take her excitement. I mean, tell me this thing. Everyone said that you're very influential. Parul, you're very influential. Even if you're not the traitor, you're irritating us. You're not letting us think. If you're not able to think because of her confidence or because of her whatever you say, poking, then maybe you're the one who's not headstrong enough. You're the one who's getting influenced. Who's at fault? She or you? आई मीन ऑलरेडी पारुल ने हरमन को बहुत क्लोजली बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली पकड़ लिया था, तो तुम लोग सिर्फ इतना कर लेते कि उसकी बात का एक बार ध्यान देके क्रिस्टल को ऑब्जर्व करते, चीजों को ऑब्जर्व करते, डॉट्स कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करते, तो मे बी दिस वुडंट हैव हैपेंड. बट पुअर पारुल, her childlike enthusiasm got killed because of you people. Abhishek got kicked out. I was so happy. After some point, like in the beginning, he was like doing good, but after some point, he was also not playing smartly, and he was just not needed in the show because of the kind of negativity that he was spreading. I mean, I don't know what has happened to him. Why does he talk like that? And he doesn't feel like a grown-up man. He feels like some teenage boy who doesn't know how to speak, who doesn't know how to give respect. I just have zero respect for him, and I do not like him. So I was very happy when he got kicked out. Coming to the queen that I was excited about since the very beginning of the show, that's Rida. And I knew that she wasn't getting the space that she needed to breathe and just flourish. But once she got it, she made it. Her decisioning to go for Kullu was based on proper reasoning and logistics, observation. And the way she shouted at the table when no one was listening to her, oh my god. I loved it. Just she was not getting the right space because of Parul and Abhishek. But bang on, girl. Also, recruitment letter मिल चुका है, so there's going to be a new traitor. I think अगर traitor को चुनना है तो Malika मैम को already कुछ लोग suspect कर रहे हैं, तो I don't think she's going to be a nice choice. The best choice according to me, I think, is going to be Shalini Pasi or Pasi. I don't know. I think she can do it. And she looks very innocent and dumb. I think she will ace this one. What do you think?